You guys, okay. Before I go ape shit crazy, welcome back, you guys. I love you. If this is your first time to my channel, I'm Liza. Please subscribe, like, share, notification bell, everything you need to do to join my family here because it is gonna be a crazy video today. Yeah, I wanna say today. I'm already bugging out. Today? Yeah, today? Yes, today. Okay, anyways, I just got, and I wasn't expecting this today, so I was supposed to get my mystery box by Jeffree Star Cosmetics tomorrow, which is Tuesday. Today is Monday. It's Monday morning. Excuse my appearance. Like, I legit woke up like 10 minutes ago. I grabbed my coffee. I checked my email and it says that it is flipping out for delivery today. But anyways, you guys, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm supposed to get my box today between 11:30 and 2:30. Here's the thing, regardless of when it comes, I'm legit, even if I have to stay up all night to freaking edit the video and film, I'm trying to get this video up tonight, tomorrow morning, whatever I need to do. So yeah, I'm supposed to get the box today. Oh my gosh, I can't contain my excitement. Okay, you guys, this is my second time getting a mystery box by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. My first time that I did it with the holiday one. I will try to link it up above for you so you can watch it. I just want to thank still like to this day, thank you everyone who has seen it. It has over 49,000 views. Let me tell you the level of freaking heart attack time that I went through to try to get this box. I'm so glad that I got this box. I got the middle tier. The only thing I know, you guys, is that I'm getting a piece of clothing because it asked me my size when I bought the box. So I have not watched any spoilers. I have no idea what's in the box. I've been trying to stay away from videos that are on the boxes. Like, I completely have not seen any videos on it. I'm not trying to spoil myself. I'm not trying to spoil, you know, my genuine reactions and my joy for this box for you guys. Like, I'm not gonna do it. So I've been patiently waiting and I'm hoping that my box really does come today. It says out for delivery. So as soon as I get it and I come back from work, I am filming it, I'm editing, and I am putting it up. I don't care if I stay up all night to do it. I love you guys. Let's do this. Okay. You guys do not understand how hard it was for me to go the entire day, you guys, without unboxing this box. I can't believe I even left the house this morning without even peeking into it. I did not want to spoil it for me or you guys. This box is completely sealed, not open whatsoever. So while I open this box, you guys, let's just talk about that reveal that Jeffree just posted a couple of hours ago on the new Bloodlust collection, which, like, the reveal is tomorrow. This is completely insane. That purple, I had a feeling it was going to be purple. I feel like purple is going to be like the color of spring. Oh my gosh, the packaging is already insane. I can only imagine what this collection is going to look like when he reveals it tomorrow, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's just, I cannot. All right, you guys, I am unboxing my mystery box. I did mention that I got the second tier. As always, he had 3 different size boxes. The first one, I did the 3 this time. Okay, so the first one is the premium, and it was $60. That contained 4 items with 3 exclusives. The value of that box is $105. Like, he said he was going to totally make up for whatever happened last time. And I was just like, okay, he's gonna go like beyond. Like, when doesn't Jeffree not go beyond what he's already done? So I can only imagine what's in this box. I know you guys are like, Liza, shut up and open the box already. But let's get through this, because you never know. Like, a lot of people who might come through this channel, you guys don't even know what this is, have never bought one, have never opened one. So I want to explain. The second tier, which is the deluxe, the one that I got ran for $100. It contains 8 items and 3 exclusives, and it is worth $200. This is insane. It's so crazy. Okay, the last one, which is the biggest one, is the Supreme. It's $145. Contains 12 items with 5 exclusives. Y'all, one day, I promise you, I'm going to buy all 3 tiers, and I'm going to buy one to give away. So this time around, this is what's going on. I got the medium-sized box, and I'm about to open it. So here we go. You guys, if you are a makeup lover and you've never bought one of Jeffree Star like mystery boxes, oh my gosh, it is okay. Okay, oh my god, okay. I already warned my mom, if you hear me scream, don't worry about it. So, okay. Again, if you've never have gotten a mystery box before by Jeffree Star Cosmetics, you guys need to like just experience it. It is beyond what you go through opening one of these boxes. It is like no other. It is extreme. It is excitement, pure passion, like everything. If you are a makeup fanatic like I am and just enjoy his products and the things that he brings out, oh my gosh, like you have to try a mystery box. Okay, we're gonna open this now. So here we go. This is what it looks like. So let's see what's in this thing. So we've got black paper. Stop. Stop. No. I can't. Wait, hold on. Wait, what is this? Are you serious? And you guys, it's burgundy. I'm gonna cry, I swear to God. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Is this like one of those little... Yes! Stop! I can't right now. Wait. Okay, wait, hold on. Let's go bring it out right now. Okay, hold on. Okay, so the first thing we got is his little like over-the-shoulder bag. You guys, this is cute. Okay, there's a string here, but I can cut that off. That is okay. So let's cut that off real quick. I have a box cutter here, and my box cutter is whack attack, you guys. Okay, so we got this little over-the-shoulder bag. You guys, I swear, like, it's burgundy. He knows me. It's freaking burgundy. Okay. All right. So, oh, this is cute. I'm gonna travel with this. Forget my other one. I have another, like, little travel over-the-shoulder little handbag where I put like my passport and stuff like that in it when I travel, because it's right next to me. I hold on to it, always keep my hand over it and keep it safe. So this is totally gonna replace that. And it has a pouch in the front and another zipper. This has more space than the one that I use for travel, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can't. I'm so, it's freaking burgundy. Oh, this is so cool. It's a wrap. Totally a wrap. Okay, next one. You guys. Okay, I got a t-shirt here. If this t-shirt is the exact same from the sweater, I'm gonna die. Stop. Stop it. You guys. He did the t-shirt. He did the freaking t-shirt. I know he did the sweater, but I don't remember him doing or mentioning the t-shirt. Oh my gosh, and I wanted the sweater too, but it sold out. Oh my gosh, and I only had money for this box. Oh my God, you guys, I can't. Oh, Lord Jesus, you answered my prayers. Okay. We got a shirt here. Okay. All right. Oh my gosh. Okay. Next. Okay. Oh my gosh. The straws, you guys. I literally was just telling myself the other day that I need freaking straws. And there's like a mint blue one. I swear he made this box for me. I can't. Like, I'm dead. I can't. Okay. All right. I'm trying not to freak out here. Okay. So, I don't know, like, I think the shirt was one of the exclusives. I got another exclusive lipstick. We will open that up. You guys, there's a flipping mirror in here. and 2 palettes. Oh my God, I can't do this right now. I'm gonna freaking die. I can't do this. Okay, wait. We have green paper here. So, okay. So we've got the little mini breaker. This is really cool. I will be honest with you. I'm not too excited about the mini breaker. I think the only thing that I was really excited for in the Jawbreaker collection, the palette was absolutely beautiful. Like, I reviewed it on my channel, but I don't own it. My friend owned it and she lent it to me so I can review it for you guys. But the only thing that I really liked from the Jawbreaker collection was the mirrors, and I never was able to get my hands on them. This palette is like, wow. Like, this is pretty. Everyone, if you follow Jeffree Star, you already know what the Jawbreaker looks like. I know my BFF mentioned that she had wanted this one. I'll ask her if she wants this. If not, I'm just gonna like do, I'm just probably gonna give it away. So let's see what's up with this one. So this, you guys, this is really cool. Oh my gosh, I'm like already satisfied with the straws, the t-shirt, and the bag. Like, if there was nothing else in this box, that would be it. Okay, so let's go. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think this, I'm not sure what this is, but it's like, I don't know what this is. Okay, I don't know if it's another palette. What is this? You guys, what is this? I'm so confused right now. Wait, is this a palette that's already on? I've always wanted one of his highlighter palettes. Wait, no, wait. Is this from like the winter collection? Okay, you guys, I'm a little confused. Is this from a winter collection? I've always wanted one of his highlighter palettes. Sorry guys, like that kind of distracted me because my freaking battery died and I had to switch it. Oh my gosh, okay. I've never had that happen to me before, but okay, here we go. So, I've always wanted one of his highlighter palettes. Okay, no, this is not new. I've seen this on his site before, and oh my gosh, you guys, this packaging, I cannot. Oh, let's watch some. I don't want to ruin, but, oh my God. Oh, you guys, I can't. I don't understand. I don't understand. You guys, I seriously don't get like how he does this. And you know me, bitch. I'm the highlighters to the gods. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, I thought it was 2 palettes, but technically it is 2 palettes because this is a highlighting palette and then we have the Jawbreaker mini palette. Oh my gosh, you guys. Seriously, like, the shirt and the bag and the straws. Oh my Lanta. Okay, moving on, you guys. Oh gosh, I can't. Okay, let's get this out. I do like the tissue paper. Like, I know I'll probably reuse this for like a birthday gift or something. So there's that. Okay. And then we have the gloss. We have Diamond Juice. I've never used one of his glosses before. I'll be honest with you, they really didn't catch my attention, but I freaking love the packaging. Oh my God. Oh, it smells like vanilla cupcakes. Oh, okay. And to be fitting, you guys, like most of the makeup that I have on today is not your traditional Valentine's Day look that I was going for. By the way, happy Valentine's Day, you guys. Valentine's Day is on Friday. So I'm just glad that I get to do this video for you guys and we get to have fun together and go a little crazy with this mystery box. Not your traditional Valentine's Day look. This is exactly what I was looking for. And most of the products that I'm using is Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I used both the Blue Blood and the Blood Sugar palettes. And there's this color. There's this shade, you guys. I'm already forgetting the name in the Blue Blood palette. I use it as a highlighter. I'm dead. Like, I'm gagged. I cannot. It's called something like Crystal Skin or something like that. And it exactly makes your skin look like crystals. Like oh my, I can't. It's just gorgeous. But
Anyways, we're gonna swatch this. Yeah, it's just a clear gloss, you guys. Very sparkly. In the tube, it's pink. But on the hand, it's clear. It's right there. Oh, the smell, you guys. I can't with the smell. Dude, this highlighter is not going anywhere. Like, look. I can't. Okay. Maybe I could use this gloss. I could use this gloss. We're going to use this gloss. It's super pretty and bougie. Like, if you've never seen the packaging on this, this is insane. How does he come up with it? I don't know. We have a mystery color here. I love his freaking mystery lipsticks. In my first mystery unboxing of the oh, this is freaking gorgeous. I will say though, no. Okay, it's not similar. In the holiday box, mystery box, we had a mystery color, and it's that one right there behind me. This red. I had it in my Morphe mystery box video. If you haven't seen that one, I'll link it up above for you. And if you have not seen my first unboxing of my first mystery box ever for this past holiday, I'll link that up for you too, you guys. Oh my gosh, I can't. Like, that red is just insane. So this is the Valentine's Day mystery color, and I know I'm gonna freaking love this. It has shimmer in it, and it's in between pink, red, and burgundy. Like, it is just this gorgeous kind of mauve-y. Oh, I can't even explain it. Like, it is beautiful, you guys. I'm probably gonna wear this on my next video. So this is the mystery color, and then we have one more item in here, you guys, and it's a flipping mirror. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. And you know what? I have two of his mirrors. You see the red one behind me, and I have another one. And literally a few months after I bought the other one, it's like a popsicle stick. It like fell, but the mirror didn't shatter or break or anything, but the handle kind of like broke apart a little bit, so it's kind of loose. And I was just saying to myself, I'm like, I need a new mirror. So you guys, this box is just beyond. Okay, let's see. Like, let's see just like what color it is or which one it is, because I don't like, I still haven't seen any spoilers. So all these things, you guys, like, it's a surprise to me. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared right now. You guys, it's the iridescent one. Oh my god, do you not see that? Jeffree, what the hell? Why do you do this? How do you do this? Okay. You guys, this box. What? Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. I feel like I'm just gonna always buy mystery boxes from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Like, I'm gonna save my money and just like buy all his mystery boxes, because you just get so much more for your money, you guys. And then just like the mystery of it all, if you stay away from spoilers, and just the experience to unpack one of these. Like, I can't. The shirt. Oh. I'm so excited for the shirt. Okay. All right, you guys. That was it. Go ahead and subscribe, because you know you want to see my crazy ass here again with these mystery boxes. I love you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now I can go and see what everyone else got, because I have not seen one video. I love you guys. Oh my gosh, Jeffree, you totally just freaking made my month for Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to me, you guys. I love you, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.